y'all doing today? Out here at Sandy Creek Park. I am trying to catch some crappie. Y'all see them pretty good over there? All right. Yeah, I'm trying to catch a few. If I can find some big ones. All I do is see a lot of little babies right there. There she go. Little baby. It might be 9. Gotta put you in the checker. Put you in the checker, see what you get. Nope. Ain't the only reason 9, so you gotta go back. For me. Got away from me. Long, but small too. Sheesh. Oh, I feel the raindrops. I do feel the raindrops. Got my way. Time to move. Here all the top, they sitting so high. Sitting so high in the water column. Let me measurement. Be still, boy. Oh, boy, be still. I know you don't like that thing. That thing gonna bite you. 9.5. So you go. Goes in the box. 9.5. All right, let's see the next one. They know a bunch of low ones though. Wow, that's a big one. That's a big one on top of the water. Come on here, big girl. She's sitting right on top of the water. Ain't nothing but a couple inches under the water. Big one right there, y'all. I ain't gotta measure that one. Ain't gotta measure that one. A couple more there. I know how you do it. I see you. I don't think you're big enough. Let me go. There you go. Let me see. About 9.5, y'all. It's another keeper. Another keeper. Let's find another. Let's find one here and then. Keepers are hard to find today. Y'all in with the little ones. A little bit of something today. A little big in that way out there, girl. Good one. That one ain't running. A good one, y'all. About 10 inches. 10 of them. Woo. Found it. I'll bring the boat. Let's see if she'll bite. Nope, she won't bite. Bedding right there. She come out. Hot. Ah, that's what it's doing. She's still right now. About 9.5. 9.5. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta pick them off. There she goes. Nothing right there. Might be there. Chase. Ah, she come off. God darn it. Couldn't even get the darn thing fast enough. I ain't got my net ready or nothing. She was too far out anyway. Got her on the net. She come off, try to keep her down. Keep her down. I knew there was one sitting up from the darn beaver down. We got one to bite. Float today. That was a big one there though. Sitting on top of that water. Not a good one, y'all. She'll sit right on top of the water. A little bit more aggravation. So a little bit more aggravation, she'll bite. A little bit more aggravation, she'll bite. Another good one, y'all. Isn't it cool as they go? A little bit more aggravation. Aggravating, but they will bite. She took off. Come back here, check up. Incher. 10-incher. A 10-incher. You might not make the pot. Oh, you might not make the pot. Let me see. I hope you're 9 and higher. You go home. You're 9. But they ain't the time. Nah. I get a little bigger. So, in the bait right beside the boat. I know I seen something moving. I seen the boat move. nothing sitting on that bank. There's nothing sitting around that bank right there. Yeah, it's close to the bank over here. Get a little closer. Yeah, they're close to the bank. I can come fish out the bank, they're close. No, they fish up on that bank there. There go one. A little bit one though. He hit it while I had my back turned. He's a little sucker. Little sucker. I wanted that big one over there, but he won't bite. They're getting close to the bank, y'all. Y'all, all the people fish Santa Creek, come out and put your float out about 10 feet out the bank. Crappie getting close. They getting close. They're getting real close. Yeah, I told y'all small than. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Let me get out of here. All right, y'all. We had a nice day today. Let me show y'all what we done caught so far today. Yeah. Well, we had fun though today. Got a good bit in there. We got about 15. You got one back there I gotta pick up. Got one in that corner I gotta pick up. But all the day was a good day. Y'all have a nice day. See y'all next time.